Okay, I'm ready to beam me to the very most outer part of the Robot Master's base. You know, I was thinking, if we have this super advanced technology that can beam me anywhere, why not just beam me directly to the Robot Master?
PLESE!
What's my name? Dr. Light? That's right, I'm Dr. Light, PhD. Don't you try and explain quantum mechanics to me. I built your freaking brain! Now, be a good little Asimov robot and do what you're told. You don't want to end up like your dog.
2 months ago.
I did not murder him.
Rush? You said he ran away.
Yeah, I say a lot of things.